anybody's heading out the door right now, there is still pooling in this part of the valley. But if you take a look behind me, this intersection was actually almost a river just a couple hours ago. And here's what I've been noticing. Areas that were flooded this morning, especially intersections like this one, now have a lot of dirt, rock, debris. Take a look at this cell phone video from earlier this morning. This is the same intersection we're at now. Those are actual street signs and construction signs being carried away by the flood waters. You can also see just how fast that water is moving. Now, the most intense rainfall in the northwest part of the valley, that's where this video's from.
From here, what you can see is our storage tank for our aqueous ammonia that we use for emissions control. That's 19% ammonia, and that reacting with our NOx emissions converts that chemically to non-pollutant emissions, primarily water vapor and nitrogen gas. Looking over this way, we'll see the primary cooling tower. From here, we take our water out of the Monongahela River. We process it in the area here to the left, and with that we have a clarifier filtration system that removes any solids that are in the water to make it better and cleaner for our cooling tower so that we don't get any solids deposits in the system. We have mechanical fans on top of the cooling tower which draw air up through the water to cool it off. Then that cold water goes to the condenser that we'll see later that converts the steam back to water.
The hot water in the kettle gives off water vapor to the air by rapid evaporation, just as rivers, lakes, and ponds give off water vapor to the air by slow evaporation. The hot water in the kettle gives off water vapor to the air by rapid evaporation, just as rivers, lakes, and ponds give off water vapor to the air by slow evaporation. The hot water in the kettle gives off water vapor to the air by rapid evaporation, just as rivers, lakes, and ponds give off water vapor to the air by slow evaporation.